Hello and welcome to A.Celli Academy, where line operators and technicians can build real expertise. Our focus today is on our maintenance school. This training program is tailored to maintenance teams who wish to deepen their knowledge of maintenance standards and practices. We will cover topics like the maintenance of knives and counter knives, lubrication, maintenance of winding shafts, and much more. Upon completing the course, operators will have learned how to implement a cost-effective standard maintenance schedule and the basis of standard maintenance on A.Celli machines. The training session runs for 1 full day, split into 2 4-hour sessions, and it is fully customizable. Want more information? Contact us today. Follow us and stay tuned.